How to fix startup repair couldn't repair your PC in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the startup repair couldn't repair your PC in Windows 10 or 11, then just follow the steps. So if you get this kind of startup repair option, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So first, you need to perform a system restore. Performing a system restore can revert your computer to a previous state where it was functioning correctly. So what you need to do is simply go with the advanced options, and under that you need to go with the system restore option. And after that you need to boot your computer into the advanced startup options menu. This process can be done by repeatedly pressing F8, Shift plus F8, or F11 during startup. After that you need to select the troubleshoot, go with the advanced options and go with system restore, and follow the on-screen instructions to choose a restore point and start the restoration process. Or the second thing you can do is you can simply troubleshoot in safe mode. So booting into the safe mode allows you to troubleshoot and fix issues that typically prevent Windows from starting. So just you simply choose the option of see advanced repair options and you need to restart. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the third step, which is repair boot records. So go with the troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt, and it will take you to a command prompt, right? Command prompt window, and you need to enter the commands one by one, pressing enter after each command. So these are the commands. You can simply take a screenshot of it or save it. So you need to enter the first command and then hit the enter, and again go with the second command, hit the enter, and again third, and simply proceed with the fourth command. After that, you need to restart your computer and check if the problem is resolved. So these were a few fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.